Hey Yaslin and Co. This is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm just shooting you over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So, just taking a look at your website. The header here is a little empty. As far as, of course, you have your nice logo here, the home. I don't see a services page, as well as I don't see a click to call. So, having your phone number right either here or usually it's in the right corner is super important because you want to get them on the phone as quickly as possible because the longer they're on the website or the longer they're on a website, the less likely they are to quickly get in contact. And then, of course, right after you scroll down here, you hit the bottom where it's for the contact, and then this is the click to call for down here. So I would advise putting that up here just to make it a little quicker for customers. And then, of course, you hit the bottom of your website. So I'm not seeing a ton of content. We're looking at about less than 100 words or about 100 words of content on your homepage so far. What Google is truly looking for is 1,500 to 2,000 words. And that allows you to put organic keywords throughout your site. Now, what an organic keyword is a buyer intent word that a customer would be putting into Google in order to find your specific services. So let's take a look behind the scenes. So the way we do that is with a system called Ahrefs or Ahrefs. Two things we look at are the UR rating and the DR rating. So the UR rating is the strength of your website, which you can see is 11, and the DR rating is the trust Google places in your website, which you can see is a 0.1. Now, ideally, we're looking at between 30 to 40 for each. Now, the way you get that up is with backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. Now, all backlinks are not created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia will be awful because that's a very spammy link. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be awesome because that is relevant to your service. Now, another big thing are those organic keywords. What buyer intent words are you ranking for according to Google? So let's check the 23 words that you do have. So first word, USC Flooring, that is, it's, it's you, it's generic. Um, so that's why that really doesn't count. Of course, if someone's searching for you, whoops, they'll find your site, so they're looking for you anyway. 20 and oak, flooring, that's going to be your top one. As you can see, 150 in Durham. And you're right now on the second page, which is why, as you can see, you're only getting one traffic from that buyer intent word. And that's going to be your top buyer intent word with 150 volume per month. Now, let's take a look at what that word would look like in Google. So you put it in Flooring Durham, North Carolina, out pops those search results. So for Durham, right now, there is no GMB for flooring. So what a GMB is the name, number, address, and it's basically allowing you to find where you are. Now, it's super important to first make one and then rank on one when there is one because 30 to 40% of all people will stop at the GMB. So it's super important to um, create one for yourself. Now, after that, you always get your organic rankings, which is by strength of website. Your top competition is USA Flooring. Now, they're also the top competition for um, Raleigh, so they're doing something right. So let's check them out. So USA Flooring, um, just going through, they have a nice small little website. They don't have as much content as you can see. Something just fell over outside. I'll check that later. As you can see, they don't have a terrible amount of content. However, let's check behind the scenes and see why they're doing so well. So as you can see, their UR rating, their trust or their strength is 35 and their trust is 16. So they're doing something really well. And as you can see, they have almost 3,600 backlinks, as well as almost 1,200 organic keywords. Now, a lot of those keywords are ranking for the different areas that they go in, as you can see, Raleigh, but we're going to look at the keywords that rank for Durham. So they have 34 keywords that rank for Durham itself, which is USA Flooring Durham, which is them, that doesn't count. Usc Flooring Durham doesn't count. Flooring Durham, North Carolina. As you can see, they're in the first natural position, which is why they're getting 20 traffic out of 150 searches. They're in the 7th position, they're getting 3 out of 50. So if they were in the first, you'd be looking around 7 to 8 out of that. Coming to their site and putting in for either calling or putting in a form. Hardwood flooring, they're at the bottom of the website, but they're still getting some traffic from that. So as you can see, their buyer intent words for Durham are getting them traffic through their site. So if we're looking to beat them, first things first, we got to get those backlinks. Now, their backlinks are for all the different areas, so you don't need as many as them, I'm going to be honest. However, what you do want is getting close to them. So you want to raise the backlinks as much as possible. Now, you are able to take the USA Flooring's backlinks because you know they work, as well as there's always an option of starting your own blog and then linking it back to your website. That's always something I recommend. And then, of course, it's getting that content up. You want 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page so that you can start organically putting keywords in so that Google can rank you for more keywords and more of those buyer intent words that you saw. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If y'all have any questions, feel free to reach back out to me. And if y'all can leave some feedback, I'm always looking to improve. Y'all have a blessed rest of your day.